Hi everybody, I am Arthur and I am glad to be with you today to show my Yamaha XT660R that was prepared for use in rally racing. So first of all, I'd like to tell you that it has engine that in stock condition is very good and reliable. So I have no changes in the engine department at all. It was good and capable one, but Yamaha XT has a weak suspension. So the first my aim was to make the suspension stiffer and more reliable. So you can see front fork swap for YZ450F unit that has black anodized legs, and the stiffness of the springs are 0.52. Then I have new Öhlins shock absorber from the old BMW. And you can see a spring preload unit here. Okay, you can see very good and reliable and expensive rear wheel with the billet hub, and this one is from Honda CRF 1000. Aluminum swing arm from XTX with welded chain guard. The front wheel is strong too and has talon billet hub. Then this is 320 millimeters front rotor and very strong billet caliper from the braking. It has 32 millimeters pistons, braided hose, and Magura radial master cylinder. Bars are rental twin wall, aluminum wraparound cycler handguards, very soft and touchy rally grips, sub-bar Scott stabilizer, this is overflow can, this one is oil cooler, and huge radiator. This is Fluidine from ATV Suzuki LTZ 450. This is stainless steel mesh for protection. Headlight, Vision X and Rigid Industries. Tail light, UFO Phantom. Seat was shaved from the sides to make it narrow, you can see. And very good Fastway adventure packs. They are very useful for fast changes in direction. You can see 2-in-1 exhaust. And Yamaha has fuel injection with self-diagnostic mode. This is walk around video, and the next one will be on motocross track. This bike is capable for use even in such harsh conditions as motocross or enduro or rally racing, and was successful on the first stage of Motor Rally Cup of Ukraine this year. I am very satisfied with this motorcycle, and I am going to use it this year for racing.